What Wescoal aspires to is to become a flag bearer of black economically empowered junior coal miners in South Africa, who are of significant size. As we have always said, that we are somewhere around the 2.5 million ton mark right now. We aspire to get to 4 million tons plus. The issue for us of becoming, if you want, the first empowered company to get off the mark, comply with the 51% requirements, become an example not only to Eskom but also to the country, to say, look, here is a black empowered company that is able to perform at this particular level is of particular interest for us. Hence, the goings on in the industry has become quite interesting from that point of view. So the first thing there is that the developments at Optimum Coal, as well as the general pricing developments in the commodity markets general, has meant that a couple of companies who before we would not have thought that they want to put some of their assets available into the market are increasingly doing so. So you're seeing some of the majors starting to review, are we really going to continue to become thermal players in South Africa? Are there some assets that can be offloaded? And there's a number of those processes that are already underway. We obviously can't comment on who these companies are and whatever, because it is their responsibility to do so. But what we do want to communicate is that we see ourselves as a major taker of those opportunities as and when they arise. And to do that, obviously, we also have to be ready from a funding and capital point of view. And there's many of those. So, there's a whole range of formal and informal discussions which are giving us indications that some of the majors want to offload some of these assets. And once again, black economic empowerment status is going to be a key consideration in that particular process. If you really think about it, the two major considerations are going to be your ability to operate, and secondly, your black economic empowerment status. And that will be because, once again, the market remains, the key market remains Eskom. There are quite a number of companies similar to ours. So junior coal players. One of the key characteristics of the South African coal mining industry is that you've got the bigger players, so the guys who usually are supplying in excess of 15 million tons. That will be your Exaros, Glencos, Anglos, and most of them are in any event locked up into cost plus mines with Eskom. If you move from there, you come to look at the next tier, you find the junior coal miners, which is the space we're operating together with the likes of your Kittins, Universal, one or two other junior listed companies. But we're pretty much all of us there between the, say, 1.5 to 4 million ton mark. There's very little in the intermediate position. So clearly one of the opportunities that we're looking at as Wescoal is to become one of the key players in the consolidation space.